Consider the question, what do today's diesel engines really need from their fuel? What do today's diesel users really want from their fuel? Turns out many kinds of people want similar things. Truck fleets, whether long-haul, municipal, or even short-haul bus fleets, they all want the best performance and the best mileage possible. And extending their DPF regeneration intervals would be a nice bonus too. Generator systems, both high-use generators and emergency backup, they want the fuel's condition to be protected in storage so the generator will run its best when it's needed. Fuel distributors and generator service companies are always looking for additional revenue streams that may come from providing these kinds of extra benefits to their customers through the diesel fuels that they provide or service. In short, all these kinds of professionals and more, they want the best performance possible with the fewest problems, and they want it at the exact time they need it. The problem is, today's ULSD fuels are not like they used to be. Some of this comes from changes made in the fuel to meet both strict environmental regulations and the needs of today's newer engines with modern emissions control systems. Today's ultra-low sulfur diesel fuels are indeed much better for the environment, but that comes with trade-offs. They don't have the same storage life as they used to. They develop sediments in storage at a much faster rate than they did in the past. They also attract and hold more water than they used to, which causes problems when it comes to microbial growth. It sounds like today's diesel fuels could use a little bit of help. Enter Dee-Zol concentrate from Bell Performance, a commercial-grade multifunction treatment for diesel fuel that gives today's diesel fuels and engines everything they need to perform at their best. Dee-Zol provides industry-leading detergency to clean diesel injectors and combustion chambers and keep them clean, the key to helping your diesel engine get its best performance. Dee-Zol raises diesel fuel cetane rating to give the engine the power and performance expected of it. Dee-Zol also addresses diesel fuel stability issues by providing both stabilizer and water controller to both protect the fuel's condition in storage and help reduce the water accumulation associated with microbial growth problems. And the best part is, all these benefits come in a commercial-grade formulation designed to give maximum benefit for minimum cost. That's the advantage of choosing a commercial-grade fuel treatment versus choosing a generic off-the-shelf product that you could pick up at your local box store. If you're an operations manager, a fleet manager, or a fuels professional, you want an industrial-strength solution for your business. If you're a consumer, you want to use what the big boys use. In both cases, Dee-Zol Concentrate diesel fuel treatment was made for you.